OTHM Level 7 Diploma in Logistics and Supply Chain Management. The objective of the OTHM Level 7 Diploma in Logistics and Supply Chain Management qualification is to broaden learners' understanding of logistics and supply chain management and is designed for those who wish to prepare for a first professional role and future career in the field. It is also suitable for logistics and supply chain professionals in the early stages of their career looking to enhance their knowledge and skills and move to the next level professionally. Successful completion of this qualification will equip learners with the specialist knowledge and skills needed to further their career as a logistics and supply chain professional, as well as the opportunity to embark on further study towards a relevant master's program with advanced standing. For entry onto the OTHM Level 7 Diploma in Logistics and Supply Chain Management qualification, learners must possess an honors degree in related subject or UK Level 6 diploma or an equivalent overseas qualification. Mature learners with management experience. Learners must be 21 years old or older at the beginning of the course. If a learner is not from a majority English-speaking country, must provide evidence of English language competency. The OTHM Level 7 diplomas on the regulated qualifications framework are at the same level as master's degrees. However, they are shorter 120 credits and learners will have to proceed to the dissertation stage 60 credits with university to achieve a full master's program. The OTHM Level 7 Diploma in Logistics and Supply Chain Management consists of 6 mandatory units for a combined total of 120 credits, 1,200 hours total qualification time and 600 guided learning hours for the completed qualification. Mandatory units of OTHM Level 7 Diploma in Logistics and Supply Chain Management are: Logistics Management, Supply Chain Planning, Modeling and Analytics, Procurement and Supply Management, Supply Chain and Operations Strategy, Sustainable Operations Management, Business Research Methods. For detailed information, WhatsApp us on 0092331599937, 0092321505675.